Hey Walker, thank you for joining us. What do you think about our new products?
Prompt-to-Insights.
Yes.
I'm actually incredibly impressed. I mean, I was impressed before I got here. I knew it was going to be awesome. I would say the big thing for me was the moment in the audience where they kind of figured out that data analytics doesn't have to be the unique domain of data scientists or data specialists or data enablers. Prompt-to-Insights is really the first platform that brings data analytics directly to the citizen developer and enables them to pivot data and create widgets and dashboards, just asking questions of an agent that's connected to your industrial data.
Super. And are you excited about the new marketplace 4.0 solutions launching?
All right, so the 40solutions.com Industry 4 marketplace. Yeah, I'm very, very excited because it's sort of the culmination of this vision that we had that, pricing of industrial software needs to match the users in an organization. So $1,000, $5,000, $10,000, $50,000 enterprise. And what we have at 4.0 Solutions are the educational resources, the access to the free downloads, the access to the entry-level licenses, and all the support that they need to get started with the products they need to solve their own problems.
We're glad to be your partners. Thank you so much for your support.
Appreciate you, my man.